How to deactivate your listing on Agoda. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily deactivate your listing on Agoda. First thing first, head over to your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for agoda.com and hit enter. Now once you hit enter, once you land on the website, just make sure to log into your account. Then from here, you're going to have to go to the listing page. So click on your profile icon. And if you see your property message or your property management, you can go from here or just click on list your place. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to Agoda Homes, where you will see all of your listings. Now, once you've done that, you are going to have to click on the listings tab right on top, and it will show you all of your current listings. So here you have three tabs. The first one is in progress. The second one is active and then deactivated. So from your progress, you can just click on complete and publish. So let me just go ahead and complete this quickly. Click on next. And then from here, all you have to do is just add pictures. Click on next again. Enter your property name. So let's just add something like this. Click on next. Private host. Now enter all of your details here and you should be good to go. But let's just save and exit for now. And I'm just going to go back to my listings. So what you're going to have to do here is go to your active listings, and the list that you've created will be on active. Click on it and then you'll have an option to deactivate that listing. Then it will be listed on the deactivated page. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.